Hello, I'm a dog. I have 4 feet for running and jumping. I have 2 eyes and one tail. I am very beautiful. I am very faithful. I am very loyal companions. I am a horse. I am very beautiful. I have 4 legs. I have 2 eyes. I have one tail. I am used for riding. I am very beautiful.
Oh, I am a donkey. I eat grass. I have 4 legs. I have 2 eyes. I have one tail. I am used for carrying the load. Hello, I am a cat. I am a domestic animal. I have 2 eyes. I am very beautiful. I am very friendly. People love me.
Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.